Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the offline installer and your license in the same folder so installation is immediate. Next, gather all source clips, audio tracks, and images into one organized project folder. This prevents import lag later. Once done, make sure your machine meets minimum specs, 8 GB RAM and a decent CPU, because Clipchamp processes locally. Doing these steps now saves time and avoids mid-edit stalls, and it gives you a predictable workspace to import media quickly. You run the installer with elevated permissions, so all offline components register correctly. Once installed, open Clipchamp and create a new project. Choose resolution and frame rate that match your deliverable, for example 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS, to avoid later re-render issues. Then import media by dragging your organized folder into the media bin. If you have large 4K footage, create proxy files or enable low-res playback, so editing stays You finalize edits, then choose an export preset that matches your target platform and use hardware acceleration when available to dramatically reduce render time. After export, play the final file locally to confirm audio sync, bitrate, and color are correct. If you hit an export error, first clear Clipchamp's cache and retry. If that fails, lower the export bitrate or update the offline components you installed. These steps solve most problems and get you back to a clean, successful render quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.